In this video, you'll learn how to remove a Binance account. This process involves clearing all balances, accessing account management, and completing the deletion steps. By following these instructions, you will successfully close your account. Begin by ensuring that your account is free of any outstanding balances. This means withdrawing all remaining funds. Navigate to the wallet section of your accounts. From there, select the appropriate cryptocurrency or fiat currency you wish to withdraw. Follow the prompts to enter the amount and confirm the transaction. If you have any open trades, these will need to be cancelled as well. Take your time to verify that all funds have been moved to avoid any issues later. Next, access the account management settings. Locate your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear where you should select profile. Once you are on the profile page, look for the security or account management option in the sidebar. Click on this option to proceed to the next step. This section allows you to manage your account settings, including the deletion process. After entering the account management section, you will find the option to delete your account. Look for a button or link labeled delete account. Clicking this will initiate the account deletion process. You may be prompted to complete a verification process to confirm your identity. This step is crucial as it ensures that only the account owner can execute the deletion. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully, which may include entering a verification code sent to your registered email or phone number. Once you've successfully completed the verification process, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that your account deletion request has been submitted. It is important to note that the deletion of your account may take some time to process. During this period, ensure that you do not log in again, as this could potentially cancel the deletion request. Keep an eye on your email for any further instructions or confirmations regarding your account status. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.